Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and this here is a Ishkode, a fire. I think I called today's live stream Traditional Ojibwe Words and Phrases. If you're new to the show, we teach Ojibwe words and phrases. But I also like to just sort of talk and, pray. Sometimes Natasha's here and I'll talk with her. But before we get started, I'm going to say a little prayer real quick. And then, you can learn some Ojibwe phrases. You see how that works? Let me grab a little tobacco. I always offer tobacco before I pray. I say, accept my tobacco, Great Spirit. Odapanan niwi asema. BOOZHOO kitchimanadu. Hello, Great Spirit. How are you? Anish na ejiayin. Anish na ejiayin. How are you? How are you, my Father who art? Namino eya. I'm fine. Daka wituka wishin. Ando minowe nungum. Please help me to speak well today. Miigwech. Thanks. And these have been just a few Ojibwe phrases, Ojibwe anama an Ojibwe prayer of the noongum of the day. Guys want to hear some music? This one's by the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons.
No, gigaje, Pokira. No. Hey, everybody. Good morning. Just making some makare mashkiki waboo. Well, it's just about ready. Black medicine water, makare mashkiki.
Billy don't like it living here in this town. Hope bites the dust when there's no one around. And hope bites the dust behind all the closed doors. The pus and grime ooze through its scab-crusted sores. The screaming and the crying, it's a high-rise rock. It's a rat trap, Billy. You've been caught. You can make it if you want it. or if you need it bad enough. You're young and good looking, and you're acting kind of tough. Well, Saturday night time to see what's going down. Put on the bright suit, Billy, head for the right side of town. It's only 8 o'clock and you're already bored. You don't know what it is, but there's gotta be more. You're gonna find your way out, you're gonna kick down that door. It's a rat trap, Billy. What's in store? I wanna go somewhere where it doesn't stink, away from the alley, somewhere I can think. Gonna wash my hands and watch it wash down the sink. It's a strain on the brain, living close to the brink. A lot of rotting going on that night, and it was cruising time for the young bright lights. Just down past the gas station by the meat factory doors, coming on strong were the 5 lamp boys. Young Billy watched beneath the streetlight and said, tonight of all nights, I wanna go somewhere where it doesn't stink, away from the alley, somewhere I can think. Gonna wash my hands and watch it wash down the sink. It's a strain on the brain, living close to the brink.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. All
right. With a torch in your pocket and the wind at your heels, you climbed on the ladder, and you know how it feels to get too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. There were unicorns and cannonballs, palaces and piers, trumpets, towers, tenements, wide oceans full of tears, flags, rags, ferry boats, scimitars and scarves, every precious dream and vision underneath the stars. Yes, you climbed on the ladder with the wind in your sails. You came like a comet, blazing your trail, too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. That's how that poem goes. All right. Pictured a rainbow, you held it in your hands, I had flashes, you saw the plan, I wandered out in the world for years, while you just stayed in your room, and I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon, the whole of the a turnstile with the wind at your heels. You stretch for the stars and you know how it feels to reach too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. I was grounded, and you filled the sky. I was dumbfounded. You cut through lies. I watched the rain-dirty valley, and you saw Brigadoon. I saw the crescent. You saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon. Spoke about wings. You just flew. I wondered, I guessed, and I tried. You just knew I sighed, and you swooned. I saw the crescent, and you saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon. Torch in your pocket and the wind at your sails. You came like a comet blazing the trail. Too high, too far, too soon. You saw the whole of the moon. The whole of the moon. Don't go away, I'm begging you to stay, 'cause I'm gonna miss your love. Please don't go. Oh, really? Why? Because I'm gonna miss your love. The minute you walk out that door. But I gotta go to work, honey. No, I'm gonna miss your love the minute you walk out that door. Hey, everybody.
Hey.
Won't you consider becoming a patron? Patron?
No, that's not right.
Patron.
Yeah.
I can't even say it. Please become a patron saint and support BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Click the links in the description to our Patreon page. And if you become a $25 a month BOOZHOO crew member, it's an exclusive club. It's going to cost you some junia, some money. No. You'll get a coffee cup.
Oh.
You can put your black medicine water in there. Muckety mush kiki
Kiki
wabu.
wabu.
Muckety mush kiki. See, you're already learning Ojibwe. I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school, I was nobody's fool. down at Flandreau. I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. 'Cause this is no way to live. And I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. But on a fateful day, me and my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to them tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back to a leather strap. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go. I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill out on my windowsill. How could I sit still? So I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, "Where do you think you're going?" Boy, I said I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Ni wiki way, ni wiki way, ni wiki way, ni wiki way.
Ladies and gentlemen, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. That was amazing. Hey, thanks, buddy. And the lovely and talented Natasha.
Miigwechka kira awia. Thank you, everybody.
My name is NANABOOZHOO, and you've been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language, culture, and rock star cartoonists. Nah. Miigwech gabizendawieg. Thank you for listening, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. How. Give us a thumbs up.
And hit the subscribe button. And share it with your friends. Otherwise, I'm not going to tell them how to live their life.